most common background used for quilling is cardstock. Cardstock is thicker paper and it is good to use at least 300 GSM thick cardstock for backgrounds. This thickness is enough if your work is A4 in size or 8.5 into 11 inch for quillers from US. For bigger size works, your cardstock should be more thicker. If you are from USA, then 300 GSM can be related to 110 lb cover weight cardstock that is 8.5 into 11 inch in size. To know better about GSM and its comparison with lbs, do check my video on what is GSM. Watercolor paper. When you prefer to use the best quality white paper, then you can definitely use watercolor papers that are 300 GSM in thickness. Professional or artist quality watercolor papers are acid free and long lasting. This means they don't change color for years. Think about papers in some books and notebooks that change yellowish when years pass by. Acid-free archival quality papers that are denoted by the infinity symbol stays in its original color for decades. Watercolor papers are available with 25% cotton or 100% cotton. The 100% cotton papers can absorb a lot of water. As this is not the exact purpose for we quillers, we can go for 25% cotton papers. Watercolor papers can be cold pressed or hot pressed. It is basically the way they are manufactured, but the cold pressed paper has textured surface and hot pressed paper has smooth surface finish. For quilling, both type is suitable. For me, personally, I like the textured look more, so I use the cold pressed papers that are also cheaper. Watercolor papers are available in sheets, pads and rolls. Canvas. Canvas is also available in rolls, sheets, boards and a stretched canvas. Stretched canvas are canvas sheets that are stretched across wooden frames and come in different sizes. They can be left without additional framing but will need a sealant, preferably an ultraviolet spray, so they can withstand environmental changes. Canvas board have canvas sheet glued to cardboard or MDF boards. They are strong and are suitable for bigger size backgrounds. Professional quality canvas has specifications like acid free and are gesso primed. Different brands come with double or triple gesso priming. Before we quill, we can add few coats of white acrylic paint washes and then start to quill directly. Paint the first layer in a single direction. For the next layer, paint in perpendicular way. Allow enough time to dry between washes. You can even make acrylic painting and then quill over them. The first few washes of acrylic paint will help quilling paper to adhere well to canvas and gives a brighter background. If you are adding any painting or drawing with acrylic colors, then the white layer helps the color to stand out well. You can also note canvas comes in different textures like fine grain, medium grain and coarse grain. Jute or burlap. Jute is also available in sheets and boards. The sheets can be cut to desired size and shape and then pasted to any surface, and then later we could add quilling. Jute boards are similar to canvas boards, where jute sheets are glued to some surface like cardboard and are ready to use. For the best adhesive to use on jute, this white coil is adhered using silicone glue. This is available in Itsy Bitsy here in India. Check the description below for the link. It dries clear and is firm like a strong adhesive. Here I gave good pressure to peel off, but it is perfect. Next, the blue coil is adhered using Fevicol All Fix. It is an all-purpose adhesive and works on all surfaces. It is also clear and dries clear. When I give a hard pressure, it peels off. The green coil is stuck with a regular PVA glue that I use for all the quilling works. This took a long time to peel off than the blue coil, but it stays good unless we wantedly tear apart. So the best adhesive to work on jute is silicone glue. Art boards. Art boards are professional quality thicker boards which many professional quillers prefer, but I'm not lucky enough to try them yet. Foam board. Foam board has a sheet of foam sandwiched between two sheets of cardstock, which makes them more sturdy even on bigger sizes. Duplex boards. Duplex board means they have two different cardstock glued together. This makes them sturdy. They are also available in different thickness, but I'm not sure if they are acid free. MDF, plywood and wood. MDF is medium density fiberboard which is denser than plywood, but it is banned in USA. You can find boxes, boards, coasters and many other shapes made using MDF. So you have a variety of things to quill on. You can use plywood and wood in similar way. Give few coats of wood primer followed by acrylics before you quill for long-lasting pieces of work. Paper mache. Paper mache is composite material made with paper pieces or pulp and bound with some sort of adhesive. This is a paper mache alphabet from Itsy Bitsy. They are given better shape with craft cardstock. This makes easy to work on and they are weightless too. Wallpaper. Wallpapers are ready to quill over. Just use your regular PVA glue and stick the pieces. You can make as big a surface that you want on your wall to put your quilling on them. The negatives of this is they can't be framed or shifted if directly done on wall. Cleaning is a bit hard unless the place you live is less dusty. Other surfaces. You can also quill on surfaces like glass, metal or possibly anything. Recently in a post, Yulia too mentioned this. Just add pieces of paper like in decoupage and the surface is ready to quill. The other way is to use acrylic spray on a surface and then quill. I have recently quilled even on rock and they stay good. Hope this video is helpful. Please leave your comments in the description below. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.